So that's the second step for the LISREL, okay, for your AS2, okay. For CFA, that's 5%. And I already erased the other half. So it's called a golden triangle right here, okay. But remember, remove the p-value right here, okay, p-value and the sample size right here. Right side the mouse, you can use deleted, okay, 删除 deleted, okay, and this is called a correlation. You can call a golden triangle right here, okay, and right now I already put the that's week 12, right, and you have learned this well because total is like a 10% semester grade here, okay? Today we teach the AS2. So I give a demo right here, okay? The formula is right here. But type here, type the note, okay? Note. N-O-T-E. Choose this one, 记事本, okay? 记事本. Okay, 记事本 and copy here, okay, right side of mouse, copy, Control C, okay, and make your own, okay, and paste, okay, paste, okay. So language is not a problem. Let's save it, okay, save it, the Biostats, withdrawal, AS2. Remember S is speed, okay? Speed means you learn fast, turn in earlier, get a high grade, okay? So let's code the 114-4 Biostat, STAT, AS2. Bracket CFA, okay, and save it. And remember, you got the golden triangle right here, okay. Make a copy, make a after star, okay. And edit and paste, copy paste, okay. Understand? Copy paste, okay. And remember the variable right here, okay. Copy and what? And the paste. Control V, right? Control V. You got it? And you can do this way. One space, okay? One space, please. It will take a long time, right? One space. Let's do a CFA first. If you choose SRD A1, you can follow the same way for the Smart POS CFA. Kind of quick, right? It's like a mahjong, right? One space, please. Okay, one space. 7, 8. But if your SRDA already have a CFA figure, that will be very helpful, right? Remember, next 1 week or 2 weeks, you will turn in an AS2. Okay, turn in an AS2. That's another 5%, okay? And let me ask you a question because this is all in English, right? Sample size. Where can I find the sample size? SPSS, okay? So go back your SPSS data view on the last row, okay? Last row. Last row is 417. Okay, so please change to the 417. Okay, 417. And how many factors do you remember? If you don't remember, you can make a control C here. Okay, and right here relationship. Okay, relationship. Control V. Okay, so you can based on the variable right here. First factor called ICMR, okay? And the second factor called SPE, right? SPE. So what's next? CQ, right? CQ. And how about, we have 4 factors, right? But, I mean, you have to check out the original graph under this week for SRDA1. Not here. Okay, let's check out the CFA right here. So what's that? RCMR, right? CQ, SPE. Yeah, they got not the 4, it's a 3. Okay, so let's go back here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, only 3 factors. Okay, and you can do this way. Okay, enter relationship for this one is equal to the ICMR. Okay, SPE equals SPE. Okay, and CQ1 equals CQ. Understand? You guys are very smart, right? And let's save it. Okay, save it. Control S. Okay. Remember where you save it. Okay, save as. Okay, so I save as the D slot. Okay. So remember, change the correlation, change your variable here. Okay, and change the sample size, and give the factor name. Okay, and give the formula right here. Okay. Let's give your computer back. Okay, are you follow me? If you don't follow me, the AS2 will be open sky window, too big, right? You will count the speed. Okay, but if you learn where you have to go back for your final project, okay, to do your CFA and SEN. Okay, Okay.
But SRPA model is not good. If I got time, I would teach you, but if not, we don't have much time. Right? Anyone follow my step 2? Step 1 is get the golden triangle first. Okay, golden triangle. Then you have to erase the, you know, the p-value and the sample size plus part, right? Okay. And then remember, go back to the Google. I give a program, right? One of the programs. So the original model. That was or you can use the notepad in your experiment. You can choose the 45 and drag it over.
Can I? Can you sit down? Teacher, me. I didn't have this one. Oh, I didn't want.
Yeah, it's a
Survey.
long time ago. No, it's kind of test quiz.
Can I do it now?
It's already due.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what can I do?
It work on the list 2.
Then how about my score here?
Which one? Oh, it's already due. So
0?
I didn't give a 0. It's a blank. It's a blank. Why you miss it?
Because I don't
You
know.
didn't miss this one, but why you miss this one?
Because I don't know.
That's okay. So we have to work on this one.
Can I have like some homework or something to fill this one? Like I can have extra work.
Actually,
I can do some extra work to fill that.
but just don't worry about it. It's just the 3%. So if you get this 3 bonus right here, it's still 100. You know?
Really?
Yeah. You see, next time come earlier, right? 85 here. And don't tell the answer for that student. Don't tell the answers. Otherwise they will get a higher grade than you. So you didn't get a scholarship. 2 minutes, okay. 2 more minutes. But I think the question is too long. I mean, maybe you need to do the factor analysis, right? Remember the factor analysis. So let's see, analyze. And sometimes don't do a lot of reverse questions, okay? Then you will become a negative pass coefficient. Okay, factor, let's see, maybe question. PCA and very max scores, options. Three factors. Hey, which group choose the SRDA one? No? You have to use your own data set, SRDA one. But right now I teach you use the SRDA one. Okay? Give an example, okay? So don't worry about it, okay? Okay, let's move on to the step 3, okay? Let me broadcast, okay? And remember, let's make a video. It's still on the video, okay? And you have to remove the things beneath, okay? So like this one, okay? After this one, you can save it, okay? Save it as the here, okay? Open your LISREL right here, okay? This is not good model, let me tell you, okay? Let me close it, okay? That's the one you have, nothing, right? File, open, okay? And click on all the file, start, okay? And you can choose the original file, it's text file, okay? And click on the little man right here, okay? Little man, okay? Run LISREL, okay? And you will get the CFA, okay? Congratulations, okay? CFA right here, okay? And they got some indicators here, okay? But let me tell you, it is not good, right? They got the negative, positive, okay? Remember, this is called a lambda, okay? Factor loadings, at least 0.7, okay? This is not good. 0.7, okay? But this is a final project. For example, I teach you the factor analysis, right? Because it's too much question, so let me show you. Analyze, okay, and the dimension reduction factor, okay. Let's choose the CQ 1 to 20, okay. Do you remember the factor analysis, descriptors, okay, CAMO, and bodily test of sphericity, okay. Continue. PCA, okay, rotation varimax, remember, and the results right here. But the only thing we need is this one, okay, called the rotated component matrix. So I already copy and paste right here. And remember when you do the conditional selection, okay, choose this one, okay, this one greater, okay, greater than 0.7. I'm sorry, 0.4, okay. So factor name is greater than 0.4. So this is a very clear, okay. Factor 1, 5 to 10, okay. Factor 2, 11 to 15, okay. Factor 3, 16 to 20, okay. Factor 4 is 1 to 4, okay. 1 to 4. So in here, you can change another good model, okay. That's the same as the what? CFA2, maybe CFA2, okay. That's so don't turn in the first one, turn in this one, okay. And remember the structure right here, okay. So you can do this way, copy, or go back here, okay. Save the CQ1 to CQ20. I think you guys are very smart, okay. CQ1, CQ20, okay. So you can type the CQF1, right? CQF2, CQF3, CQF4. We don't need this, okay. And right here you can copy, Control C, right, and Control V right here. Let's minimize here, okay, and you can follow here. So factor CQF1 is 5 to 10, okay, 5 to 10. Let's cut it, okay. Control V. 5 to 10. 5 to 10 is equals to CQF1, right? Based on the structure right here, factor 2, 11 to 15, right? 11 to 15, called the CQF2. CQF2, okay? Type the wrong CQF2 right here, okay? Did I mess up? And factor 3 is 16 to 20, okay? Called equals CQF3, okay? And the last one called CQF4, okay? This is a decimal, so this is the format, okay? Don't worry about this one, okay? But right now, you can still use the same correlation, okay? Let's save it, okay? Save as the CFA2, okay? That's a good model, I guess, okay? And you can close it, close the little one, okay? No, close it, close it, close it, file open, okay? And all files, right? CFA2 right here, opened it, okay? Let's look at the little man, okay? Run LISREL. Oh, maybe something's wrong here. Maybe the correlation, okay? Okay, I need to keep the, keep the whole thing. Let's change it, okay? If the correlation is still using the whole thing, okay? Right here, you have to keep the whole thing right here. Let's paste it. I don't have the time to give one more space. Maybe we can try this one. Save it, okay? Close it, close it. File, opened it. That's CFA2. Otherwise, do the regression one more time, okay? And if you just focus on the CQ1 to CQ20, okay, let's do a result, okay? So I think you can adjust it right here, okay? They can move around, okay? You can move down right here. Yeah, I think it's very good. Very good. Very good. See the 65 right here, okay? Almost like a 0.7. This is a good model, okay? Yeah, this is a good model. Remember, this is called a CFA, okay? Double head arrow, okay? Double head arrow, okay? So the error is very few, okay? 0.065. This is a good model, okay? So if you want to turn in the AS2, turn in this one, okay? Turn in this one. Any question? Okay, make a practice, okay? And AS2 will be due like next week. Yeah. And remember, it's like a AS1. You will count the speed. And also will make a judgment your model is good or not. Okay? So if you got a negative right here, it's not good. Okay? You got less than 0.6, 0.65. Okay? You can click on here. This is good. Okay? I don't have much time to teach you how to construct validity. Okay? And remember, above the 0.7 is very good. Okay, so CQ, F1, F2, F3, F4. This is very good model right here. Understand? Okay. Yeah, maybe you will start it. AS2 will be turning started because you will count the speed, right? For example, some group did not finish the AS1. AS1 is iJournal searching, right? So if you are late, your AS2, will be lower grade. Okay, right here. So if you learn well today for the LISREL, you can turn in earlier for your AS2 and AS4. I'm trying to find your semester grade right here. Okay?
Here. Alright.
Yeah, sorry. Okay, so for next week, maybe AS2 will be opened. S means the speed. Okay, speed. Okay, you count the speed. So do you remember the AS1, right? First turning the grade will be higher. Okay, and remember, don't turn in a bad model. You need to turn in a good model. So today I show you two models, okay? And this one is good model, okay? And the other one, because too many questions, too many variables, right? So I split it to the factor analysis and transfer to the Excel, right? Excel right here. This is a very good model, okay? And put it into the LISREL, okay? LISREL. So I give it a name for CQF1, F2, F3, F4, okay? And this is a good model right here, okay? When you turn in, please give a good picture right here, okay? You can adjust it, okay? Because you can see the original one is very ugly, right? Let me show you one more time. Very ugly, okay? Very ugly. So you can move around, okay? Need to make adjustment right here, okay? Otherwise, it's like a spider webs, right? Spider webs. So this is too ugly, okay? Please move around, okay? Also, this is can move. And make a practice on this one, okay? Let me